What is salvage title fraud? Have you ever wondered what happens when a vehicle is declared a total loss by an insurance company? Well, that's where salvage title fraud comes into play. This type of fraud occurs when a car, which has been labeled as a total loss due to extensive damage, is sold without revealing its salvage status. In simpler terms, it's when sellers hide the fact that a car has been severely damaged. A salvage title is a special label on a vehicle's title. It indicates that the insurance company deemed the cost to repair the car was more than its actual value. Once a car receives this title, it cannot be used normally until it passes a thorough inspection. If it gets repaired and approved, it may receive a rebuilt salvage title, allowing it to be driven legally again. However, many of these vehicles can have serious hidden issues like frame damage or faulty safety features. Now, let's talk about how salvage title fraud works. Some sellers may alter the vehicle's title history or even hide the salvage brand. For example, they might change title transfer documents to remove the salvage label or fail to inform potential buyers that the vehicle has a salvage title. This can lead to buyers unknowingly purchasing a car that is hard to insure or has hidden safety problems. From an insurance perspective, salvage title fraud is a big deal. Insurance companies relying on accurate title information to assess risk and determine coverage options. Vehicles with salvage titles usually qualify only for limited liability insurance. This means they cannot get full comprehensive or collision coverage due to their history. If a buyer later discovers the salvage title was hidden, the insurance company may deny claims or refuse coverage altogether. This can create a tough situation for the insured, leaving them financially exposed. When it comes to appealing an auto insurance claim denial, salvage title fraud complicates matters. If the true history of the vehicle comes to light, it can lead to claim denials or reduced coverage options. Buyers and insurers need to be diligent in checking title histories and ensuring full disclosure to avoid the pitfalls of salvage title fraud. In essence, salvage title fraud is about misleading buyers and insurers regarding a vehicle's true condition. It can lead to serious consequences, including claim denials and increased risk for everyone involved. Always verify the title history before making a purchase to protect yourself from these issues.